So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to change nickname or how to set nickname on Messenger. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the inbox of your Messenger. Now tap on message here, then tap on person's profile, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. So tap here. Then you can see the option of nicknames, so tap on it. Then set nickname, then tap on set nickname. Now type on nickname here. So I'm typing this. Then tap on set. Now see, nickname has been successfully set on Messenger, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.